remembering? Let's do another sound. When I put my lips together, well, I'm sorry, when I pucker my lips and put my teeth together, I can make another quiet sound like shh, as you hear in shirt, or shh, the baby is sleeping. Can you say shh? That's right, your teeth are together. Yes, I notice your lips pucker. Just like that. Can you hold that sound out? You're right, that is a sound you can hold.
Now let me talk, okay?
Okay.
Be quiet, the baby is sleeping.
It's just like when we say shh, it's a quiet sound, or is it a loud sound? It is a quiet and soft sound, so our motor is off. You're right, that is the motion.
Now let me talk, okay?
Okay, you talk.
Be quiet.
You're whispering.
Noonie. The baby's sleeping, Noonie. Don't talk.
Yeah, so listen for the sound shh when we hear words.